Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to download and run Python on your computer. So first of all, type Python download in Google, then click on the first link, then click on this yellow button which says download Python 3.10.4. An executable file will be downloaded. Double click on it and a warning will show up and just click run. After that, click on install now. So because I have downloaded Python already on my computer, I'm not gonna do it again, so I'm gonna cancel it. Now, after you have downloaded Python on your computer, just go to start and type IDLE. This is an app where you simply write Python code and run it. So click on it. Yeah, so this is the place where you will receive your output of the code. You don't write your code over here. To write the code, click on File, New File, and this is where you write your code. For example, print, then brackets, then double quotes, and hello world. Oops, world. Yeah. So, what print does is whatever you have written inside these double quotes, that will be printed over here, the place where you receive your outputs. So when you run it, yeah, you have to also save it. So I'll save it, hello one, yeah, and then you get your output hello world. So whatever we write inside the double quotes is shown on the output page. This is also called a string. Anything we write inside double quotes is called a string. This is one way of running a code. There is another way to run a code, which is through PowerShell. So we'll go to start and type PowerShell. Open this app. So this is like command prompt, but it's a bit different. So to save our Python files, we have to make a folder. So to make a folder, type mkdir. What this does is make a folder of whatever name you give. So you can type any name you want. I'll type Python tutorial. Yeah, Python tutorial. So when I hit enter, a folder named Python tutorial will be made. Now to go inside that folder, type cd, then the name of the folder, Python tutorial, and hit enter. Now as you can see, I am inside the folder. Now to run a file from here, I need that file to be in this folder. So to do that, go to file, save as, then find that folder which is over here, Python tutorial, yeah, and save. So to see what files we have in this folder, we can simply type ls and hit enter. So we can see there's hello1.py. To run this, type Python and the name of the file hello1.py. So whenever we want to run a Python file, type Python before space and then the name of the file with the extension of .py. Now hit enter, and as you can see, the output is hello world, which is the correct output. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll be back with more videos on Python for beginners. Till then, take care and stay safe. Bye.